Okay. Hi friends, welcome to Financial Comprehension. So today's topic is that I have written, or this is written in the thumbnail also, how to protect yourself from debt trap. Now there are two types of debt traps. One is called loan trap, which is your personal loans or unsecured or app loans which you take, and one is called credit card debt trap. Now, what is the difference between a credit card and loan trap? So credit card is something you see, you have a limit of 1 lakh rupees of credit card, and for example if you use that 1 lakh credit card total, you're maxed out. Now you think that okay, I will convert this credit card outstanding into EMIs, and for example you are getting a EMI of 6,000 every month for next 5 years 6 years. I have not calculated, but anyway what will the amount will come, for example 6,000. But the funniest part is that after paying 6,000 for first month, this 6,000 rupees available for you to reuse. But in case of loans, you cannot use that money. But there are some principles you should follow when you use a credit card. One, do not take multiple credit cards. That is first object. Try to stick to one credit card if you're a side person, because normally this is for side people who are normally getting debt traps. Or if you have a limit business, then use one for a business, one for your own personal, but two is enough unless until you are a very big shot businessman. But it's for a limited income side people, one credit card is enough. Second is that what I made in this point. For example, if you have 1 lakh credit card, now you thought of buying a mobile phone of 25,000 rupees, okay, a mobile, and so from that 1 lakh 25,000 is gone, then your limit is 75,000 now. Now each and every month you are paying a EMI, for example 1,000 rupees for 2 years, or you example paying 2,000 rupees for 1 year, and for 13 or 14 months 25,000, so that will around like 2,000 something, which will go for 13 or 14 months something. Now every month you make sure that you have, since you have used this 25,000 rupees, for that EMI amount will come, that 2,000 rupees will come, plus if you use that card again for other purchases, then there will be the addition of that money. For example, if you use 2,000 rupees, paying 2,000 rupees and 15,000, so your EMI amount should not, your total outstanding amount should not go above your 40%, should be between 40% or maximum should be 50%. It should cross the 50, below 50% it should be, okay. Now you are paying for example 2,000 rupees and 15,000, your 2,000 rupees EMI and 15,000 other transactions, so 17,000. So your salary should be 35, above 35,000 rupees, not below that, okay. So that is a scenario you should always keep in mind, and always try to pay a total outstanding amount. Don't go for the minimum amount, please do not go for that. Pay the total outstanding amount, always pay, have written, always aim to pay the total outstanding amount and not the minimum amount, okay. So if you are buying a 25,000 rupees, make sure that every month that EMI amount will get added in your bill, plus whatever the transaction you will do every month, okay. And you know that how credit card bills happens, we all know that. If you don't know, I will make a separate video for that, but for this video purpose, how to get out of, keep yourself debt trap free. So in terms of credit card, the credit card gives you 45 days period. So if you're making a payment on 3rd of this month, your billing date is 3rd and you're making purchase on 3rd, next on the 3rd, for example, if we are sitting on, for example, in December, in January next month, your bill will generate, another 15 days will be given to you for your pay, for making the payment, okay. So 30 plus 15, 45 days you get, or some days it's, for some bank it's 50 days also. Now the bigger fish is that in the market is the loan trap, where the people gets worried, because credit card debts are still manageable if you use it properly. Because if you know the how credit card works, you can use it in your benefit, or you can use it properly, you can reduce the money and you can use it again. So paying using, let's say recycle. It's a kind of a cycle base. But in case of loan, it's not the case. For example, if you use 6,000 rupees, taken 1 lakh rupees loan, and if you have 6,000 rupees, you can't use the 6,000 rupees after first month. It's going out. You cannot use this money. So it's a bigger challenges for people. Credit cards is still manageable. People, if they know how the credit card functions, they use that money, they keep in this loop. But obviously this need to be addressed. You are keeping this in loop every month, and if it is going beyond your salaries, then it's a choice of concern. But the problem comes when the people take loans. Now why loan trap? Now let's talk about the loan trap, which have written in there some points on this page. First, figure it out why you're applying for a loan. Is it for emergency? Is it for marriage or any other trips you're buying? So emergency and marriage are very different thing. Emergency like medical emergency is very important. Marriage is also very important fact. If you're getting married, you're fixed and you need some money for that because it's very in India, but try not to take much loan. And then trips, it's a leisure. Okay, see that why you're taking this money. Then third, then the second is that how much money you need. Now if you take a 2 lakh rupee loans and go for bank, it's very obvious the bank will say, okay sir, you have very good income, you can take a 6 lakh rupee loans. Don't fall for this trap, because the bank will get interest, and this more interest, more money, okay, more EMIs for its benefit. So they will push for more money. They will say that sir, take 6 lakh rupee, you have a good CIBIL, you have a good income, you can apply. But don't fall for this trap. You have decided, you have figured out you need 2 lakh rupee loans, stick to that amount. They will give you flexi loan, they will give you top up loan. Don't fall for this trap. You say simple that I need only 2 lakh rupee loans, give me this money only, I don't need more than that. Be firm with them. I know I also got trapped. Mommy will get us. But if you're not applying for a loan now, or if you have already taken and you're seeing anyone around you is taking this loan, please suggest not to take loans than what they need. Okay, and don't apply for multiple loans. Go to one bank, sign a paper with them, and take that one loan. That's it. Now secondly, take only the money which you need. That is done. If you're already struggling to pay your EMIs of your current loans, then stop taking or transferring loans. Okay, if you're already struggling, okay, you've taken for, you've got 2 loans or 3 loans and struggling to pay, stop rotating, stop paying, stop taking fresh loans to order to pay you are taking one loan, and with that loan you're paying EMIs. Wrong. Don't take this. Okay, take a pause and have a look into your statement. Take a pause and have a look into your statement. Okay, and this is the one thing I will say. Check your statement and then figure out what you need to do. Okay, so all the best. I think this will help you, and I like you guys. Please subscribe to my channel, please share my videos. And I don't know how I can help you guys, but this thing just clicked my mind that these are the things we should always keep in mind. If you're already struggling, please stop taking fresh loans. Stay and decide what you need to do, whether go for settlement or go for a debt management plan. But please don't take in loans if you're struggling. Okay, thank you.